Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Basecamp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Basecamp account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing different projects can be time consuming, and Basecamp is a popular way to manage different projects and different teams. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, basecamp.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up and create a Basecamp account, you're going to click on this green button, sign up for free. Okay, so Basecamp has a couple of different options for you. So you can go with the yearly Basecamp Pro Unlimited. So at the time of the recording of this video, it's $2.99 a month billed annually. They also have the free version. It's going to be limited. And then they have the Basecamp Plus. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the Basecamp Plus. All right, next you need to go ahead and enter in your name, your email, and the name of your company. So I'm going to do that off screen. All right, next they're asking me to set up a password to my Basecamp account. So I'm going to go ahead and create one here. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here to this welcome screen. So let me go ahead and close this out. All right, now I am here in my Basecamp dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start putting together various projects and inviting people into my team. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Basecamp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.